Good morning, everybody. I'm Josh Matches, Head of Client Experience at Nasdaq. I'm super excited to welcome PitchBook. It's now my great pleasure to welcome up your executive host for today, Joe Brantuck, Vice President of New Listings here at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Josh. All right, well, happy Monday, everyone, and let's try this. We need a big, excited, good morning, everyone. I thought you guys were going to leave me hanging there for a second. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome PitchBook and its founder and CEO, John Gabbert. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the management team, employees, and frankly, to all our distinguished guests. We are truly excited that you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Now, today, we are here to celebrate PitchBook and Morningstar's shared vision to provide the broadest data and analysis on the private and public markets as they continue to converge. Now, I always like to kick these events off with a really big, energetic, and I got to get you guys up today. I feel a little flat, applause. But before I do that, I need to remind you that the louder that we clap and cheer at these events, the higher that the market goes up, and especially Morningstar. So let's give this a big shot. What do you guys say? All right, we're getting there. I hope you don't make a liar out of me. I hope this market goes up. Nasdaq-listed Morningstar is a leading provider of independent investment research in North America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. With the acquisition of PitchBook, Morningstar is able to apply its core data and software capabilities to a new client segment, private and institutional investors. The award-winning PitchBook platform is the industry's leading source for information on the private capital markets, including venture capital, private equity, and M&A, and serves 16,000 professionals worldwide, including myself. And I was telling John, I really cannot start my day without opening up PitchBook and use it every single day. So today, PitchBook is the authoritative voice on the intersection between the private and the public markets, and we cannot be more thrilled to share today's Market Open with you. And now, please join me in welcoming John to the podium. John, come on up. Congratulations, John.
Thank you. Well, good morning. We're very happy to be here today. The private markets have grown to record levels and serve as a pipeline for tomorrow's most influential public companies. Now more than ever, understanding the private market investment landscape leads to greater success for public market investors. In our conversations with institutional investors and public equity investors, and further validated by a survey that we completed earlier this year, 61% believe that understanding the private market investment trends as being important. And another 66% plan to increase their allocations to private asset classes over the next 5 years. For these reasons, we expect private markets to continue proliferating and for the relationship between public and private markets to increasingly tighten. Morningstar and PitchBook recognized this changing landscape early on with the founding of PitchBook in 2007, the investment by Morningstar in 2009, and the subsequent acquisition of the company in 2016. We're here today with our parent company, Morningstar, to commemorate our shared vision to provide the broadest data and analysis on the intersection between private and public markets. PitchBook rivals some of the largest incumbent private market data providers and continuously is improving our public market coverage by integrating Morningstar data and research. Together, we're the authoritative voice on the convergence between private and public markets, and with more than 20 times more privately owned billion-dollar companies versus 10 years ago, the importance of tracking private market activity has never been greater. We wouldn't be standing here without our amazing employees who get after it every single day to ensure that we're surfacing differentiated data and insights and helping our clients make more informed investment and business decisions. Thank you all very much for your hard work. Thanks as well to Morningstar for recognizing our shared vision. And finally, I'd like to thank our clients who allow us to serve them every day.
All right. Well, John, thank you for your trust and partnership in Nasdaq, and like I said, thank you for making us smarter and more effective in our jobs each and every day as we go out there and prospect the private market. To commemorate today's opening bell, I would like to present you with the opening bell crystal. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.